What is up, everybody? Bogey Breaks on a beautiful Saturday afternoon with a 3-box break. Pick your team style of Prizm Football DECA, online exclusive. Pick your team style. You see your teams on the left-hand side of your screen. You see 6 teams that went to the serial filler. You see those numbers in the top right-hand corner. As is always the case with Prizm, it's not just about autographs, of which we should find 2 per box. It's about the color. I think we're averaging 10 numbered parallels and 2 silver prisms per box, along with 2 autographs. With that, I will say good luck to everybody. And here we go. All right. As always, deal, you know, with base vets, so let's get through these. Ramsey, Metcalf, Horn, Zeke, Gable Steveson for the Bills. Yes, wrestling phenom. Huh, and a slash right off the bat for the Steelers going to the cereal. Look at that gorgeous autograph. Gable Steveson, champion wrestler. Had a rough one a few weeks back, but Cordell Stewart autograph for the Steelers. You know how we do on these when they are not numbered. That one does have a little bit of a wrinkle or something going on up there. KST. T is the 20th number of the alphabet, so that will go to the 0 spot. That is Com Rivak. Almost all on sticker for /2. Behind that, silver champions, Ray Lewis, Ravens, going to Knowles, and a red for the Ravens. Back-to-back Ray Lewis and T Sizzle, Terrell Suggs. 149 of 199, MAXX, and Nico. I am over top loading with this set. I think it's a nice release. Throwback to 2012. Oh, let's ruin that for anybody. Izzy Mose, I don't have it on right now. Ingram, Terrion Arnold, rookie for the Lions. AJ Barner, rookie for the Seahawks. Wandell with them crazy unis. Cooper DeJean, rookie for the Eagles. How's Scotty doing? And blue is rookie Chop Robinson for the Finns, going to Dan O'Mite. Probably the one you're looking for. 104 of 149. Devontae Stroud, Ladd McConkey, rookie for the Chargers. Byron Murphy, rookie for the Seahawks. Spencer Rattler, rookie for the Saints. Keyshawn Likely, Marshawn Nealand, rookie for the Cowboys. Thielen, and our red for the Bengals, Hall of Famer Anthony Munoz. Don't think Captain Card Collector is necessarily looking for that, but 115 of 199. Nice when a pack has 4 rookies in it. Okay, one of our silvers here. Joe Alt, rookie for the Chargers. Anthony Gold for the Colts. Tua, Brad Johnson, Aaron, B-Wag, Sun God, Bates, Jamari Thrash, rookie for the Browns. And for the Rams, Jordan Whittington. Rams going to Rhodey, rookie silver. We love gold. Hell yeah. Good luck, everybody. Prizm Gold. No one does it better. Sheriff, Chop Robinson, rookie. Malachi Corley, rookie for the Jets. There's our first JD. Maybe a sign of things to come for Throtty. Pretty clean, too. Ricky Pearsall, rookie for the Niners. Urlacher, Simmons. Money Manziel. Got a silver autograph. Well, we had him in the last break. Blue, though. Emmanuel Forbes for the Commanders. And good luck on the gold, y'all. In your face, dudes. Going to Atbright. Marshawn Lloyd for the Packers. Rookie gold. Andy with the hot hand. 7 of 10. I feel like I should have the Masters on instead of music. I just can't break without a little music in the background. Up 4, my goodness. Go Rory, go. I got a purple, should be to 99 coming up. Karlaftis, Gannon, Reed, Boza, Jalen Polk, rookie for the Pats. Love, Samuel, Sutton, Pep, and Hutch for the Lions. It's 99. Lions going to the cereal. 86 of 99. 6 is dis. New phone. Who dis? What's up, Pags? McKinney, Bo, AR. There's our first Drake May rookie in box 4 overall. And Malik Neighbors as well. Sneed, Kincaid, Vontae, Luke, and silver. Mason Smith, rookie for the Jags. Just go get you some 89 tops and a bucket and have yourself a little bonfire. Three packs left in box 1. And a blue to 149 coming up. Kyron, the other Allen, Barry, Simmons, CeCe, and J.J. McCarthy. Okay. Can we expect to see a Caleb Williams in this break? For the Vikes, Sports Card Hobby, Buda Baker, Munoz, Decade Dominance, Straight Cash Helmy, Randy Moss, and a blue, Kyron Williams, Golden Domer for the Rams. Going to Rhodey, 001 of 149. First break was nothing but Bo Nix and Michael Penix, and now we got 3 of the remaining 4 quarterbacks that we didn't get in the first break. Again, these were all loose boxes, not a sealed case. Kobe, Trayvon, Jalen, Haystack, Big Dick Sherman. That's his first Prizm in an NFL uni, not practice gear. Marvin for the Cardinals. Rhodey. Kijana Carter. Rasheen Ali for the Ravens. Rookie Brilliance, Ricky Pearsall. And red, Xavier Legette for the Panthers. Nice to 199. Panthers in the cereal. Andy can't be stopped. 96. Oh, that's not Andy. That's Dis. Dis for the second cereal pull. Legette red. Last pack of the first box. And we're going to have a blue to 149. Finish off that box. Herman, Minshew, Diggs, Honey Badger, Sapp, Jordan Travis, not the rookie quarterback we were probably looking for. Maris Leafau for the Cowboys. Buckus. And a blue for the Chiefs. Also, not the quarterback you're hoping to hit with that Chiefs spot. Trent Green. 82 of 149. Knowles is punching the air somewhere right now. Or will be when he watches the playback. Pags, did you end up getting that, maybe not the right time to ask, you end up getting that package shipped off of cards for grading? Let's stick that over there, move that back there. Box 2. And now, parallels way up in the front. Monday will be in the mail? No worries, sir. Hey, those guys need love too, Rhodey. McConkey again. Okay, we've seen this pack. Caffrey. No, we haven't. Musin Muhammad. That guy. Eckler. Pickens. Randy. And Silver. When a team is hot, they're hot. For the Broncos, Sire, Bo Nix, silver. Surface is a little suspect on this, but 2 silvers per box. We're building rainbows here. I need to move this so that you guys can see all the packs on screen. There's a reason y'all left the Bears for the filler both times, because we ain't seen Caleb or Rome. And we got Mojo. Mojo to 30 coming up, y'all. Pun intended, Rhodey. Nixon, a different rookie. Kyron, Allen, AR, T, Dirty Bird, Micah, Pollard, LeVar, Downtown Bound, CMC for the Niners. No rookies in this pack. Dalton Kincaid for the Bills. Knowles. 10 of 30. A little bit of a something going on in the back there. Mojo do look really good on this set design. No Art Monk. When's the last time? Is Art Monk signing this year? I'd have to raise the commander's price if that were the case. Chop Robinson. McKinney, James Cook, Emmitt Smith, Jonathan Brooks, rookie, Panthers. Jalen Wright, rookie for the Finns. Kool-Aid, rookie for the Saints. We've got a silver Downtown Bound. For the Cowgirls, Sedarius. Going to Atbright. And a purple to 99. JF for the Steelers. That is going to Serial. $53 of 99. 3 spot is Rhodey. Back-to-back silvers in this pack, so one of them may be an auto. Freeney, Marshawn Lloyd for the pack. Keon Coleman for the Bills. Laporta, McLaughlin, Wandale, DK, and it is a silver auto. Rookie. MD. There you go. Adonai Mitchell for the Colts. Big initial auto, looking like a star, all on sticker too. And silver behind that is Kelsey for the Chiefs. That is Knowles. Mitchell had a decent season, did he not? They had a consistent quarterback all year. Okay, we got a red to 199 and probably an insert silver. Tecmo Bow, AR, Kobe, Jalen Thompson, Ocho Cinco, Jalen McMillan, rookie for the Bucks. Oh, no, that's our auto number 2. And unfortunately, we saw him yesterday, too, for the Ravens. Knowles, Zay Flowers. And a red for the Eagles. CC, Chris Carter. Silent G. 45 of 199. All right, rookie color, quarterback. It's your time. Another red to 199 coming up. Marcus, Jonathan Taylor, Blake Corum, rookie for the Rams. Ozzie Newsome, Joe Horn, Brad Johnson, Aaron, and a red. Oh, what could have been? Austin Eckler. Right size, wrong shape, 199 of 199. Ooh, back-to-back Mojo? We're going to have a bonus auto? We're going to end on Mojo in this pack. There's a BTJ rookie. Andre Ware. Trey Tucker. Kyler. Joe. Kyle. B-Wags. No, maybe this is an MVP. Oh, we got an MVP Mojo to 30. Ooh, that's sick. Jamar MVPs to 30. And Mojo behind that. Oh my. Yaoundé. 2 days in a row hitting. Malik Neighbors. $18 of 30. Y'all need to jump in Dutz' chat and tell him to line his box random team style. Bo Nix, you have been supplanted. I have to make a little room to throw this Jamar up there too. What a pack. Those MVPs are, I'm sure the Bears don't have one, but if they did, I'd be looking. Blue to 149 coming up. Trevon Walker, Herman Moore, Gardner Minshew, Zeke, Gable Steveson, rookie number 2 of this break, Sun God, Scary Terry, Hines, Jetta, and blue. Irvin. Michael Irvin for the Cowboys. 140 of 149. 2 packs left in box 2. Creed Humphrey. Javon Bullard, rookie for the Pack. Howie Long, Jalen Johnson, Drake London, Jerry Jeudy. There's a J.J. Mack, number 2. Byron Murphy for the Seahawks. Oh, we got a bonus auto. Bonus auto. Quote unquote. Jaxed, Kenny McIntosh for the Seahawks. And a red Keyshawn, throw me the damn ball. Color match for the Bucks. It's actually kind of sweet. Can we jersey match that 19? We cannot. 76 of 199. We take bonus ball autos. Y'all were smart to not touch the Bears spot, apparently. Last pack of box number 2. Pretty sexy Waldo. And we're going to go purple to 99 to finish off this box. Stephon Diggs, Brendan Rice, rookie for the Chargers. Bates, Jamari Thrash, rookie for the Browns. Cooper DeJean, rookie for the Eagles. A.J. Barner, rookie for the Seahawks. We got a rookie Brilliance. Adonai Mitchell for the Colts. And purple. Nice. Came on strong with Godwin hurt. Jalen McMillan for the Bucks. Bucks went to Jaxed. 68 of 99. Bucks did well with McMillan and Bucky. All right. Box number 3 of 3. Again, thank you all for filling this up. I wish I had ordered more. I know it's not a super easy fill, but there's at least a few people every break leaving happy, which ain't always the case. Pack 1, box 3. Andre Ware, Trey Tucker, Keenan Allen, Bijan Robinson, Kyler Murray. J.J. McCarthy, number 3 of the break. Byron Murphy. Spencer Rattler. And we've got a Downtown Bound silver in back-to-back breaks for the Chiefs. Knowles, you now have 2. Patty Mahomes. That old select field level. Circa 2018, I want to say, design. And a red CMC color match for the Niners going to Knowles. 61 of 199. I need to put in some work. That is kind of my thought process too, Mose. Using those blue and red as the primary colors, then, you know, purple, you got the Vikings and Ravens. We're going Mojo to 30. Hopefully that doesn't mean we can't hit anything lower than that yet. Marcus Allen, JTT, got a Chubb, Lewis, BY, Diggs, Hubbard, Scary Terry, Hines. Oh, we're going Mojo. Mojo Rookie Brilliance. Good luck. I don't want to laugh. Value play for N2E. Spencer Rattler. Brilliance is a word. I guess the jury's out. And a purple. Trey Hendrickson for the Bengals. Captain Card Collector. 53 of 99 on the Hendrickson. You say rookie quarterback, you got to be more specific. 29 of 30 on Rattler. Will Anderson, Jim Harbaugh, Devon Achane, Joe Burrow, Kyle Hamilton, Dakota Rain Prescott, Keyshawn Johnson, Malachi Corley, rookie, and silver auto. Quincy Williams for the Jets. That's going to go to Serial with a blue behind that of James Cook. Color match again. Quincy Williams, QWS. S is the 19th letter of the alphabet. 9 spot, Sire. And James Cook is 47 of 149 for the Bills. Knowles. Quincy Williams. By that you mean silver, right, Mose? Of course. Javon Bullard, rookie for the Packers. Howie Long, Myles Garrett, Michael Irvin, Xavier Legette, Baker, Brian Burns, Jaquan Jackson for the Titans. We missed one off the back. Josh Jacobs. And red. Legion of Boom, Richard Sherman, Seahawks, Jaxed, 136 of 199. Ozzy, I have a gift for you from Mose, aka Big Chungus Cards in chat, from the last break. MPJ, Jordan Whittington, rookie for the Rams. Mason Smith, rookie for the Jags, card 149. Michael Wilson, Trey Hendrickson, Zay Flowers, Troy Polamalu, Dallas Turner, rookie for the Vikes. And we got a base auto here. Kendre Miller for the Saints. And a purple. Wow, yow, wow. This is like the 3-box break of Bo Nix all over again. Only it's Mojo in purple instead of Mojo in red. 36 of 99 on the neighbors. They're not coming out of the same box, so it's not really, and it's not from a case, so you can't call it poor collation, just kind of, I mean, devil's advocate, we're getting fortunate in that respect. It's not does not make for good break variation, but let's see. Ozzy, stick around after the break. I want to see black when I slide away that color. That's all I'm saying. Creed Humphrey, Eric Dickerson, Jimmy Smith, Jim Kelly, Troy Franklin, rookie for the Broncos, Jalen Johnson. Hey, Jaden Daniels, number 2. We take that, Throtty. It's about 85-15 centering, but, you know, he's rolling way out of the pocket on this one. Ricky Pearsall. Drake May, this pack all with the same problems, but Drake May rolling to his left as well. And a purple. Dre Greenlaw for the Niners. $75/99 on the Greenlaw. And much like the NFL season, not a bear in sight. Four packs left. J Love in the special sauce. Jack Jones, Drake London, Jerry Jeudy, and Malik Neighbors base for good measure. Jerry Sneed, Jalen Hurts, rookie brilliance, Drake May for the Pats. Wee! $132/199. Throttle my goodness. That is so hot, want to touch the hiney. Oh, Lord. Here, let's do this. Let me get these 3 loose packs, bring them to here, get this box out the way. That is... that's sex. Pause for a moment. Had to give myself a cheers on that one. Two Girls Cooper Cup, T-Law, Penguin, Josie Jewell, James Conner, Sam Hubbard, Haystack Smith, Sherm. We got an auto, base auto. Is this our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? It's going to be our third auto. And he's got a ball over there. Does that mean he's throwing it? Oh, in my face. Whoever gets this in the cereal, it may get lost in transit. Silver behind it is Zaire Franklin for the Colts. TBT. T is 0. Doesn't count, right? It's a 0. Tyson Badgett. Oh, that'll jump. That'll jump to 4 figures for sure. Oh man, we're gonna end this break on gold. Unless this pack is juiced too. We'll go blue, then end the break on true gold to 10. Zaire, Raheem, Travis, John, Odunze. Hey, A-Bear. We broke the seal. Pitts, Ben Sinnott, T.O., Decade Dominance, AP for the Vikes, and a blue. Oh, that is sexy too. Knowles. Keon Coleman. 10 of 149. Closest you can get to his jersey number. All right, we are, as I said, ending this break on a true gold. Thank you all again for joining. Stick around for a hit recap. Carson Steele, rookie for the Chiefs. Clay, Quentin, Lamar, CD, Andre Reed, Honey Badger, Sapp, Jordan Travis, and last card of the break is a true gold to 10. Big men need love too. Hall of Famer Warren Sapp, Jaxed. 3 of 10. All right, y'all, here is your hit recap. Nary a Caleb in sight, but we had 1, 2, 3 base JJs, 2 base Drakes, 2 base Jadens, base auto of Badgett, Kendre Miller, and Cordell Stewart, silver auto Quincy Williams, Kenny McIntosh, Zay Flowers, Adonai Mitchell, Emmanuel Forbes. Silver Downtown Bound, Patrick Mahomes and CeeDee Lamb. Silver Champions, Ray Lewis. Silver Jordan Whittington, Mason Smith, Travis Kelce, Zaire Franklin, Bo Nix. Reds to 199, Terrell Suggs, Anthony Munoz, Xavier Legette, Austin Eckler, Chris Carter, Keyshawn Johnson, Christian McCaffrey, Richard Sherman. Blues to 149. Chop Robinson, Kyron Williams, Trent Green, Michael Irvin, James Cook, Keon Coleman to 99 purple, Aiden Hutchinson, Justin Fields, Jalen McMillan, Trey Hendrickson, Dre Greenlaw. Mojo to 30, Dalton Kincaid, Spencer Rattler, Brilliance. Gold, True Gold to 10, Warren Sapp. Then we get to the wall, which, yeah, don't know what order you go in here, but Malik Neighbors, Purple to 99. Malik Neighbors, Mojo to 30. Jamar Chase, MVPs, Mojo to 30. Marshawn Lloyd, True Gold, Rookie for the Packers to 10. And JD to red, or to 199, red Prizm. Absolutely fun break. Appreciate you all. I'm going to try and get my hands on some more, honestly. Everybody have a wonderful rest of your Saturday. Catch me in the Discord. Let's get Deuce to line his. And until next time, Bogey Breaks. Love ya. See ya.
Frustrated with not knowing the true sale price of a recent comp? We have you covered. With accurate eBay.
Just kidding. Ozzy, you still here? I don't know if you're still here, Ozlander, but courtesy of Mr. Chungus over there. Tribute to his rookie year. Luke Kuechly, blue to 149. If you didn't see it, I'll show you a picture later. All right, then. With that, I'm out.
Frustrated with not knowing the true sale price of a recent comp? We have you covered. With accurate eBay best offer accepted prices for free. Our super easy to use data lookup tool enables you to remove the clutter and obtain those recent comps. Visit us today at sellthepeak.com. Buy smarter, sell higher.